Hello everybody, my name is Ben Moisan and I have a quick video for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese toastie with just a frying pan. This recipe makes 2 cheese toasties. For this recipe you will only need 3 ingredients. They are white bread, grated cheddar cheese and margarine. Take your slices of white bread and spread your margarine on both sides. This is going to prevent our cheese toasties from sticking to the frying pan. Arrange your grated cheese evenly over your slices of bread. I'm using cheddar because it's one of the few cheeses that I actually like and it melts really well. Sandwich your slices of bread together. Preheat a non-stick frying pan on a medium flame. Add one of your sandwiches to the frying pan. Once golden and crisp, flip the sandwich over and cook on the other side. Press down using a spatula. This will increase the surface area of the sandwich that is touching the frying pan. Repeat this process with the other sandwich. Slice the sandwiches into triangles and serve with tomato ketchup. That's it. You've reached the end of the video. I hope you found it useful and thank you for watching.